Unit 21, Part A, Activity 2A. Listen. Match the pictures in Activity 1 with the people. Write the words in your notebook.
My favorite thing is very modern. It's a big... I use it every day at school. I use it for my homework too. Sometimes my brother hides it, but I always find it.
My favourite thing is a that my mum and dad gave me on my birthday. It's a nice red silk. I wear it for special parties only. I love it.
My favourite thing is round and yellow. It's made in Japan. It's an old Japanese. I wear it every day when I'm at school. My friends think it's cool.
My favorite thing? It's not a thing. She's a short, clever girl. She's young. She's got long black hair. So who's my favorite thing? It's my sister. Of course.
Unit 21, Part B, Activity 1B. Listen, check, and repeat. 1. Square. 2. Circle. 3. Triangle. 4. Rectangle.